I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV.
Today let's look at Dollar General, Baker Hughes, and PVH. Kramer says that some of these negative earnings are good opportunities to buy, and he looks at Dollar General as one of these. It's like one of these, sell now, ask questions later. Typically, that's not a bad way to be trading, but Kramer thinks in this case, this is an opportunity. So what are we going to do? Look, the stock is still, even with this pullback, it's still pretty far above the 50-day moving average. Or put it another way, you can just draw a line along here. It's even, like on this channel breakout, it's still above this prior resistance level, current support. So what I'd do is this. Look at 45 as like your maximum buy point. I mean, I would not buy this stock above 45. I would actually prefer to buy it closer to 44. But then a lot of times the market doesn't do what I would prefer. I'm just saying this. The stock is still extended. It's very far extended. I don't think you're going to have a problem waiting. Let this stock drift down a little bit more, closer to a more favorable buy point. Now, Baker Hughes, bad news, bad price action. The stock broke down above this support level. We'll look at the weekly chart. You can see this stock's been under pressure for a while. I zoom out here and I put support here down at around 37 bucks. But this is so long ago, back in 2010. Does it really matter? I don't think it does. Here's what I think matters. The stock is in a little bit of a free fall here. It could go a lot further. What I want you to do is wait for the first positive day. That's all. You're absolutely not going to bottom ticket. You're not going to catch it right on the bottom. But wait for the first day that the stock actually closes up. The close higher than the low. That's when you buy and you keep a stop just below that level. That's how you keep from catching a falling knife. And last but not least is PVH, Phillips Van Heusen. Okay, Kramer thinks, he's talking to the CEO of the company, this stock still has a lot of potential. What it's doing right now on the weekly chart is walking along the upper Bollinger Band. That's about the strongest thing that a stock can do. Also, you look here, all of these are green bars. I mean, this thing has been up every single week this year. So we'll look at the daily chart. It's also a pretty nice price action as the stock bounces along the 20-day moving average, just continues to move higher. And since the 20-day moving average is at 87.50, where do you think my suggested buy point is? I'll wait. That would be right, about 87.50. Okay, that's it for today. A couple things. First of all, get over to Real Money Pro and subscribe, okay? There's a lot of great writers over there. I publish articles 4 days a week with 5 charts a day. That's going to give you some good trades. Also, I want you to check out my chart of the day. It's a free service over at stockmarketmentor.com. I send you 1 charting video a day with a good trade. But also, one other thing. Look, if you haven't taken advantage of my free 30-day trial, get over there right now and do that. Again, it's free. Like, in other words, there's really nothing to lose. When are you going to find that this day and age? So get over to stockmarketmentor.com. Take that free 30-day trial, and my bet is you're going to stick around. I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, and I'll be right back here tomorrow.